Hi everyone, I'm at Curborough sprint course today. I thought I'd do another quick video. There's a lot going on. I'm here for a bit of a charity day, so there's all sorts of weird and wonderful stuff rolling around, and I brought the imp along. We're doing a few sort of charity passenger rides, that kind of thing. It's all for charity. All of the money goes to charity. You can probably see the funny little contraption going past. There we are. Yeah, so I just thought I'd film some of it and put some of it on YouTube. I came here last year and I got asked to come back. Apparently I was a crowd favourite, probably something to do with the style of driving. But yeah, so I'll have a wander around the paddock, and I forgot to bring the GoPro, which is a shame, so there won't be any sort of onboard videos from the imp, but I'll perhaps try and get an outside video. So yeah, hope you enjoy. I really like some of these Austin 7s. A lot of them are specials. They're all different shapes, body and everything, but I think the chassis and the running gear and engines are all pretty much the same. Original Bugatti there. Jonathan Stewart's imp. Did a few bits of work on that last year, I think it was. Yeah, going really well, looking smart. Fair few Austin Healey's and some other exotic stuff.
Now have a car, which I said before lunch was a 6-cylinder MG. I think it still is a 6-cylinder MG, possibly even supercharged, judging by the thing. So it's something which in my book probably means it's either a K or an L type. And I don't think we've been given any information about this car whatsoever, including whether it exists. Oh, we have a bundle of paper here called New Entries. Now that sounds like a proper in. That really, I mean, that's probably driving sound. sounds marvellous. Goes well.
Right, we're all loaded up. Had a couple of goes and yeah, it was really good fun. But it's time to get the imp home and start turning it back into a pre-66 touring car ready for Snetterton. We're at the classic touring cars there on the 16th and 17th of September. So obviously last year we did really well there. We've got 2 overall race wins, which I don't think is going to happen again. Everything seems to move on every year quite a lot, and obviously we're not running a Shrigley engine anymore. We're running my own one, which is a little bit down on power compared to what we had, but you know, it's still not bad. And yeah, so yeah, we'll get it home and start getting it ready for that